Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Are you tired of buying expensive packaged mango drinks that are full of artificial flavors and preservatives? Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most refreshing, creamy, and delicious homemade mango juice that tastes even better than store-bought juice. This recipe is super easy, made with fresh fruit, and perfect for the hot summer season. Once you make it at home, I'm sure your family and kids will ask for it again and again instead of packaged drinks. Before we begin, if you enjoy easy and healthy recipes, please hit the like button, subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest recipes. Also, tell me in the comments which is your favorite summer fruit, mango or peach. Now, let's get started. First, take 1 kilogram of mangoes. You can use more as you like mangoes or any sweet variety you like. Peel the mangoes, remove the seeds, and cut them into slices. Next, take 1 or 2 peaches, peel them, remove the seeds, and slice them as well. Transfer all the sliced mangoes and peaches into a cooking pot. Pour in enough water to cover the fruit, then turn on the heat. Cook until the fruit becomes soft and tender. Once it starts boiling, add 1 cup white sugar, reduce the heat to low, and gently mash the fruit using a potato masher while it cooks. This helps create a rich, smooth texture and brings out the natural sweetness. When the fruit is completely soft, remove it from the heat and let it cool. You can add a few ice cubes to cool it faster. Now transfer the cooled fruit mixture to a blender and blend until it becomes silky smooth. And that's the perfect fruit base for our refreshing homemade mango juice. Transfer the juice into a large bowl. Add plenty of ice cubes and 1 teaspoon of black salt. Mix everything well until the juice becomes perfectly chilled and refreshing. Now pour the juice into a serving jug and get ready to enjoy this delicious summer drink. Before serving everyone, let me taste it first. Pour the juice into a glass. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. The flavor is so refreshing, fruity, and delicious. It's the perfect drink for hot summer days, and honestly, it tastes much better than many store-bought juices. I highly recommend that you try this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Let me know in the comments section, how did your mango juice turn out? Did your family enjoy it? If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Your support helps me create more delicious recipes for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay happy, and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz, bye-bye.